In the last class we have done a problem based on Cramer's rule in which we have taken two variables x and y. Now in this problem we are taking three variables x, y and z. So the given system of equations are 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 9, x plus y plus z is equal to 6 and x minus y plus z is equal to 2. So first we will write the given equations. This is 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 9. X plus y plus z is equal to 6. Our third equation is x minus y plus z is equal to 2. We have the matrix equation form Ax is equal to B, where A contains the coefficients of x and y. A is a matrix which contains the coefficients of x, y and z. So here we have 2, minus 1, 3. Second equation, it is 1, 1, 1. Third row is 1, minus 1 and 1. Capital Z, it contains the variables x, y and z. And B, the matrix B contains the right hand side values which are 9, 6 and 2. 9, 6, 2. Here we will find the determinant of A. Determinant of A is also denoted by the symbol delta. Here we will find this value. If it is not equal to 0, then this is known as non-singular matrix and Cramer's rule is applicable. So here in the first row we have 2. First row, first column. Here we have the term 2. So we will hide this row and column where 2 is lying. So what is left? Here we have 1, 1, minus 1, 1. 1, 1, minus 1, 1. When we write the second term, first we will put minus sign. Then our second term is minus 1. Now hide this row and column where minus 1 is lying. So it is 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Plus third term is, here we have 3. So 3 is lying in the first row, third column. So here we get 1, 1, 1 minus 1. 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Now delta is equal to 2, we will keep as it is. Here we will find the expansion of this determinant by using AD minus BC formula. So 1 into 1. This is 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1. Here we have minus into minus plus 1. This becomes 1 AD minus BC means 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1. The last term is 3 into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1. So we get delta is equal to 2 into this is 1, 1s are 1, minus 1 into minus 1 becomes plus 1. So 1 plus 1. Here we get 1 plus 1. Second term plus 1 into, this is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. plus 3 into minus 1 minus 1. So here we get this is minus 1 minus 1. Delta is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 into, this term becomes 0, plus 3 into minus 2. Delta is equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 0 minus 6. So our determinant delta is minus 2. This is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means here Cramer's rule is applicable since it is non-singular matrix. This is a non-singular matrix. Hence, Cramer's rule is applicable. Now we have to find delta 1. To get this determinant, here first column of matrix A is replaced by B value. Means in place of this 2 1 1 we will write 9 6 2. This is 9 6 2. Second and third column we will write as it is minus 1 1 minus 1. This is minus 1 1 minus 1. Third column is 3 1 1. This is 3 1 1. Again its expansion is delta 1 is equal to, the first term is 9. This 9 is lying in the first row and first column. So we are hiding this first row and this first column. So we get 1 1 minus 1 1. 1 1 minus 1 1. When we write the second term, we have to put minus sign. And then the second term is minus 1. Now this one is lying in the first row and second column. Hide this row and column. We get 6 1 2 1. 6 1 2 1. The third term is 3 plus 3. Hide first row and third column. Here 6 1 2 minus 1. Here we get 6 1 2 minus 1. Now by using AD minus BC form, we get delta 1 is equal to 9 into 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1. Second term minus into minus plus 1. This is 6 into 1 minus 1 into 2. Next plus third term is 3 into 6 minus 6 into minus 1 minus 1 into 2. So determinant delta 1 is 9 into 1 plus 1. Here we get plus 1 into 6 minus 2. And the last term is 3 into minus 6 minus 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 2s are 18. Delta 1 is equal to 18. Okay, first I will write like this. 9 into 2 plus 1 into, this is 4. 1 into 4 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. delta 1 is equal to 18 plus 4 minus 24. 18 and 4 is 22. 22 minus 24 means our delta 1 is equal to minus 2. This is delta 1. Here we got delta value is equal to minus 2. Now to find delta 2, we will keep first column as it is. This is 2, 1, 1. Here we will write 2, 1, 1. Now second column minus 1, 1, minus 1 is replaced by 9, 6, 2. Here we will write in place of second column 9, 6, 2. Third column is 3, 1, 1. 3, 1, 1. Now delta 2 is equal to 2 is lying in the first row, first column. Hide this row and column. We get 6, 1, 2, 1. 6, 1, 2, 1. Second term. Before writing second term, put negative sign, then 9. 9 is in the first row, second column. We are hiding them. It becomes 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 3 into, again hide first row and third column. Here we get 1, 6, 1, 2. 1, 6, 1, 2. Now delta 2 is equal to 2 into AD minus BC form, or we can say cross product also. This is 6 into 1, 6 into 1 minus 1 into 2 minus 9. Here we get 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1. Plus 3, 1 into 2 minus 6 into 1. Now delta 2 is equal to 2 into 6 minus 2 minus 9, 1 minus 1, and this is plus 3 into 2 minus 6. Delta 2 is equal to 2 into 4 minus 9 into 0 plus 3 into minus 4. So here we get delta 2 is equal to 8 minus 0 minus 12. Minus 12 plus 8 is equal to minus 4. So this is our delta 2 value. Similarly, we have to find out delta 3 by replacing third column by B value. So here we get delta 3 is equal to first column is 2, 1, 1. Here we will write 2, 1, 1. Second column minus 1, 1, minus 1. Minus 1, 1, minus 1. Now this third column, instead of 3, 1, 1, we will write 9, 6, 2. Now this is 9, 6, 2. Delta 3 is equal to 2 is lying in the first row, first column. So here we will write 1 6 minus 1 2. 1 6 minus 1 2 is left. 1 6 minus 1 2. Second term minus 1 into hiding first row and second column, we get 1 6 1 2. 1 6 1 2 plus 9. Now here we get 1 1 1 minus 1. 1 1 1 minus 1. So delta 3 is equal to 2 into AD minus BC is 1 into 2 minus 6 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. This is 1 into 2 minus 6 into 1 plus 9 into 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1. So here we get delta 3 is equal to 2 into 2 minus of minus plus 6 plus 1 2 minus 6 plus 9 minus 1 minus 1. So here we get delta 3 is equal to 2 into 8 plus 1 into minus 4 plus 9 into minus 2. Delta 3 is equal to, this is 16 minus 4 minus 18. 16 is positive, minus 4 minus 18 becomes minus 22. So delta 3 is equal to 16 minus 22. Delta 3 is equal to minus 4. Now to get the values of x, y and z, we have the formula x is equal to delta 1 by delta, comma, y is equal to delta 2 by delta. Similarly, z is equal to delta 3 by delta. X is equal to, our delta 1 is minus 2, delta is minus 2. So this is minus 2 by minus 2, x is equal to 1. When we cancel them, we get 1. Next we have y is equal to, y delta 2 value is minus 4. Minus 4 and delta is minus 2. Y is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, minus becomes plus. So y value is 2. And z is equal to, delta 3 is minus 4. Again it is minus 4 by minus 2. We get z is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So here we got x, y, z value. Now we will do the verification part. Substituting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 2 in equation number 1. So our equation 1 is, we can take any one of them, either equation 1, 2 or 3. So here we will take equation number 2. X plus y plus z is equal to 6. So we will substitute in equation number 2, x plus y plus z is equal to, no, this is minus 6, not minus 4. Here we have minus 6. So z is equal to minus 6 by minus 2, z is equal to 3. So here we are substituting x, y, z value. So we get x is 1, y is 2, z value is 3 is equal to 6, 6 is equal to 6, hence verified.